For our newlyweds who have just given us their first dance as a married. How about a louder round of applause, everybody? You know why? Because these two, they really deserve your applause. That dance is, I think, 8 months in the making. And it was Luis himself who choreographed that dance. So...
Ibinahagi na nga ni na Jessie Mendiola at Luis Manzano ang mga naging kaganapan sa kanilang kasal sa Palawan. Bago ang lahat, huwag niyong kalimutang mag-subscribe at pindutin ang notification bell para maging updated sa ating mga susunod na videos.
Before you offer your vows, say your vows, I'd like to say just a few points. Picking up from our mass this morning I said that to be able to live a fully human life, you need trust, you need joy, and you need meaning. So actually, I'd like to add to that.
Muli ngang ikinasal sa pangalawang pagkakataon itong sina Jessie Mendiola at Luis Manzano. At ayon nga rito kay Jessie, ay ito ang kanyang dream wedding. Kaya naman sa kanilang 3rd anniversary ngayong araw, ay ito ang ibinigay na regalo ni Luis Manzano. Ibigay ang dream wedding ni Jessie Mendiola dito sa Coron, Palawan. Dito naman naganap ang kanilang kasal sa Club Paradise, Palawan, kung saan dito na nga rin naganap ang kanilang wedding reception. At nandirito nga at kumpleto ang kanilang buong pamilya. Kaya naman napakasaya nitong sina Jessie at Luis para sa kanilang intimate wedding na ito dito sa Palawan. Sabi nga rin nitong si Jessie Mendiola sa kanyang post, "Marriage is not the end of the search for love. It is the end of the search for the person to love. The search for ways to love that person has just begun." I know I said this during our dream wedding last week, but I just wanted to share this again here. During our pekana with Father Tito, ang sabi natin hindi na tayo excited ikasal dahil kasal na tayo. Being together for almost 8 years and being married for 3 years have taught me so many things. One of them is that love is not always easy, and that isn't supposed to be easy all the time. You have to constantly work hard for it, and that's okay. Today, I'm choosing to work harder for your love and happiness. Tulad nga ng sabi ni Father, do not chase excitement. Mas importante ang desire. The desire to get married over and over again with that same person you choose. God has given us our biggest blessing, our little Rosie. And I always say this, kayo lang sapat na. I promise to love our family with all my being. I promise to always choose you over and over again, even on our hardest days. And I promise to protect our peace and happiness. I love you, our Peanut. And I love you, my How-How. Forever and always. Happy 3rd anniversary, my love. Thank you for always choosing to love me no matter what. I love you with all my heart. Hashtag just got luck. Ito nga ang dream wedding nitong si Jessie Mendiola dahil kung makikita niyo naman ay napaka-dreamy nga nito. Dito sa beach ikinasal itong si Jessie sa ganap na ika-4 o'clock ng hapon, kung saan perfect nga ang napakagandang sunset dito. Nakakatuwa nga rin dahil talaga namang nag-effort ang kanilang buong pamilya dahil kompleto ang mga ito upang masaksihan ang kanilang pag-iisang dibdib. Gayon din ang kanilang mga kaibigan.
Our newlyweds who have just given us their first dance as a married. How about a louder round of applause, everybody? You know why? Because these two, they really deserve your applause. That dance is, I think, 8 months in the making. And it was Luis himself who choreographed that dance. So,
matapos naman nga ang kanilang wedding ceremony, ay magtungo naman tayo dito sa kanilang wedding reception. Dito na nga rin ito naganap sa Club Paradise, kaya naman hindi nalalayo ang ating mga guests. Ito ngang si Mami V ay napakasaya dahil muling ikinasal itong sina Luis Manzano at Jessie Mendiola. Sobrang ganda nga rin ng kanilang wedding reception na inayos ni Gideon Hermosa, kaya naman labis-labis ang pasasalamat nitong sina Jessie at Luis, maging sa kanilang ang team na sinamahan sila dito sa Palawan para lamang sa kanilang kasal. Sobrang espesyal kasi ng araw na ito para kay Jessie Mendiola dahil ito nga ang kanyang dream wedding kasama ang kanyang buong pamilya. Gayon din ang pamilya ni Luis Manzano na nandirito ngayon upang suportahan ang pag-isang dibdib nilang muling dalawa. Congratulations sa inyo, Jessie at Luis Manzano. Mahalin at pakaalagaan nyo ang isa't isa.